name's Arena. I'm a freshman. This is my first year in New Sounds, obviously. It's probably my favorite part about college, honestly. I came in here and I was like, I saw them at the talent show. I was like, oh my god, I need to be a part of them. But, yeah. And fun fact, Dante was the first one who hugged me when I became part of New Sounds.
I'm a hugger, what can I say? As Arena just said, my name is Dante. I wouldn't normally make that joke about liking long walks on the beach and everything, but it's been cold and rainy, so there's no point in that. But I'm a junior. This is my third year in New Sounds, and I was recently elected music director. I hope we have some Beyonce fans in here, because our next song is going to be a medley of some Beyonce songs.
Say.
Sing it, girl.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Bring the beat in.
Every night I was in my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you. When I close my eyes and go out of my head, lost in the battlefield, you in my hand and be my guide. Clouds filled with stars cover the sky, and I hope it rains.